Hi, this video will continue working on Node.js application. Last video we have created database connection and we have created views. We have created simple home page, and from this video I'm going to connect to the database and fetch the data from the table and show it in UI, and I will show it in Node.js UI. So I'll start from connecting database MySQL. For this, we have already installed MySQL package in previous video. Please see that. Now I will start from connecting to database. MySQL dot. I'm using create pool method. I'm taking parameter. I'm taking parameter localhost as host. One minute. I'm using create pool method to establish connection. Host localhost user root password root. I've given this for my MySQL, so I'm using these credentials. So next to database name user, database name is user. So what this will do, it will create a connection to database MySQL, store it in constant con. So this con is contains the connection con dot get connection. This will establish the connection. If any error, it will throw the error, or else it will give the connection data. If error, console the error. If not, connection dot query the SQL MySQL. Select star from table name user data. From there you have to get the data from this table. If it is throwing any error, capture it, or if it is throwing the result, capture it. Come here, if error, console it. If not, before that, after giving connection query compulsory, you have to give connection dot release. It will stop the communication with the database. Then only you have to proceed with other codes. So if you error, log the error, or else Here, copy this. It means if it is a blank space, go to the home page. That is what we have written before. Now if it is a blank space, what it has to establish the connection and get the database records, and it has to, after getting the records, it has to go to home page along with the fetched data. So come to home page. I will create this table again, or else it will confuse you. Already we have one small welcome screen. Now in order to get the data from database, I need to create a table. So inside the table we have table row. First row contains headings, copy, take four headings. What are all do we have in the database? Table, ID, name, age, mail ID. These are the fields we have created. So we want to fetch all those fields. We are going to loop the result set and fetch the individual data. For that I am using each, hash each works as a for loop. What we are fetching result, we are iterating the result variable which we are passing here to the home. We are collecting here and we are iterating table row, close it, and the td. This dot id. This npm start run this with the port 1000, Microsoft 1000. See, we have fetched all the database records. See, all these records are in the table user data. fetched all the records. We have queried user data with the result and passed the result to the home page. In the home page, we used uh, hashes which is similar to for each and iterated the result variable using this keyword is used to refer to the current object. Your current object is your result object. So using this, we have fetched the integer data from this result set from this variable. It has a complete set of data where from there I am splitting each data dot id name age build id four data we have four types of data we have in this record and taking everything. So finally the output is displayed in the UI like this. So I'm stopping here. Tomorrow we will see how to post the data in Node.js.